What's up everybody? So today we have a really exciting episode with Miss Fran. She hasn't been in videos for how long? Long time.
Almost a year.
It's been locked down, so everyone's been locked down. The best part about this is we have the new Tamron 70-180 lens that just came out. It's not even available yet. But we got hooked up by Ray from Photography. Sorry, I get it wrong always. So Ray came through and he loaned us the lens for a bit. So we're going to do dance tests and then model tests with Fran. So dance test will be done with Mia in a different video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to try and teach you something while I do this. A technique on how to use the sun as a second light. So the light from the sun will light her head, and then this will fill in the shadows from the front. This works really well for golden hour where you're backlighting portraits. So you put the sun behind the model, which will highlight her from around the edge like an edge light, and then this will fill in the front. That also allows the model not to keep her eyes closed because the sun's in her face. You don't want to make her life hard. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it. We don't have a lot of sun, but it will still work quite well. So I'm going to backlight her with that, and then I'm just going to fill light in with the AD200 from the front. Okay, so enjoy. So if you look at Fran now, there's a bit of sun hitting her head, which is fine. But if we keep going till the sun's really hitting the back of her head, so she can move till she feels it on the back of her head, or walk that way till it's in your face and turn around, and you'll see her hair will glow. It works very well with blondes, and there's obviously like a light red will work well. It will work well with everybody, but those really work well. So try that out. So we find a spot where it's sunny. So now you can see her hair's really lit up. If you turn a bit this way, you'll see it'll start hitting her nose and stuff. You don't want that. So she can have anywhere where it's not hitting her face. So turn this way. That's perfect. Or more that way would be even better. So you can see it lights all the sides of her hair. Okay, and then all we're going to do, I'll take a shot as is, and then I'll turn this on, and we'll just put the power up until it looks good. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so this is the shot as is, no flash. That's the shot without the flash added, and then you'll see when we turn this on, now you can see how much brighter it is with the light on. So this is the best way to use one flash with the sun as a second flash. One more. And turn the flash down. We're on 16th power now. Okay, so what you want to do is have the flash quite high, higher than eye level, so you can kind of like mimic the sun, even though we know that's the sun. And we're going to put it quite high, so maybe above the line of her forehead, facing down. You don't want to hit it directly with flash. You want to kind of have fall off of light just going across the whole front of her. So we're going to turn this there, and we're going to zoom in all the way to 180 on the lens and just see if we can get some really nice soft portraits. Okay. Okay, so we finished. I hope that was helpful. If you want me to do more in depth of this, let me know. If you want me to try and replicate the same thing with say two flashes, we can do that, where you can see the difference between a flash and a flash in the sun. But the sun always works well, because if you're in a location at like 12 o'clock in the day and the model had to shoot that time, you can at least use the sun as something like a kicker light or something. Plus it's not in her eyes and it makes her warm, and they'll like you for that.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you want to follow Francesca, I'll put your Instagram up. you have any other things? No.
No,
So
just have fun, live life.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell if you want to see more videos, and then comment below on other stuff you want me to teach, because a lot of this channel is becoming vloggy because it's just easy to go film, but I like to do tutorials. I enjoy teaching, so let me know what you want to learn. We'll do some more. If you want to see more Fran, comment. Follow on Instagram till you came from my video. Yeah?
And we'll make more together.
What do you want to say to people?
I love you all. Like and subscribe. And book Rob.
Now let's cover the lens.
I wasn't ready.
Click the bell. Let us know in the comments if you want something else. Mia broke the camera. 2 light with one sun, one flash. One sun, one flash.
Can we start that again?
Imagine you can have 2 suns, 1 flash. Shut up.
This is my dancing.
It's really cool. Have you ever danced before?
So you want to not hit it directly with sun.
Like lockdown.
Okay, so we are hold on.
You better put this in.
I put it there in bloopers. Francesca.
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 So